Welcome to Equities.com here at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. My name is Galen Engen. I'm sitting here with the president of Pasinex Resources, Steve Williams, and we're going to talk about zinc.
We are indeed. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, good. Now, tell me about what the primary focus now for Pasinex Resources is.
Well, we're focused on zinc. We've got a zinc project which is a joint venture with a Turkish mining company called Akmetal. It's in the south of Turkey, in the province of Adana, in the southeast of Turkey, and we're now starting to mine. We're mining small tonnage but high-grade direct shipping ore.
Perfect. Can you tell us then how it is to do business in Turkey? I'm sure everyone is interested in knowing.
Yeah, yes, everybody is interested in that. No, it's great. You know, the macro situation is Turkey is the 16th largest economy in the world. It's been growing. It's been one of the sort of success stories in the world. It's been growing at around 5% per year GDP. It's slowed in the last 12 months to about 3%, but really been growing spectacularly in the last 10 years. Young population, the average age 29, well educated. You know, it's a classic emerging economy. People, you know, want to, you know, build their future, build their wealth, and you know, the government is pro-business, pro-mining, and they see mining as an important part of their growth strategy. So, you know, it's just a really good place to do business.
Well, that aside, let's talk about the price of zinc, because we've seen some, you know, pretty bleak news in recent times with the commodity prices easing, as it were. Zinc itself has had, over the last 12 months, experienced a bit of a drop. But then if you look at the graph over the last 25 years, zinc has maintained itself and possibly even a bit of an up curve.
Yep.
Where do you see the price of zinc heading in the next, 2 years?
Oh no, the price of zinc's going up.
Yeah.
There's no question. I mean, you know, zinc's been hanging in the last 5 months at around $1 a pound US. It dropped last week. It went down sort of to 91 cents. It closed the week at 93 cents. But that's very much short-term pessimism, you know, with the price of copper going down, price of oil going down. The macro situation is that there's going to be significant supply side shortage on zinc. Brunswick Mining in Bathurst, New Brunswick, closed a year and a half ago. Lachine's about to close. Century, which is a big zinc mine in Australia, is closing in 2 years. So, you know, in the next 2 to 3 years, there's going to be a lot of shortfall in zinc supply. So I think, you know, the zinc price is going, you know, well over $1.50 probably. So with, you know, at the moment we're just seeing some short-term movement, pessimistic movement, you know, really a general malaise with the sort of markets. But I think if you look at the fundamentals of zinc, price is going up.
Sounds great. Now, that in mind, you guys have 2 zinc projects. You want to discuss those and let me know what they are? Yep.
So as I said, it's a joint venture with a Turkish mining company. Maybe just a brief comment about that. When we went into Turkey in 2012. We knew that if you're going to, you know, want to build a mine in a country like Turkey, and not just Turkey, it applies to a number of countries, you should have a local partner. So we went and got a local partner who, they already have 3 mines in Turkey, so they're an experienced mining company. They're well connected politically, they're well connected in terms of community, and all very important things. So it's a joint venture with them, 50-50. We're in a zinc district in the south of Turkey, so it's actually a whole region of zinc, grossly underexplored, so there's a lot of upside zinc potential. And we've taken these 2 properties north of an old zinc mine, on strike of that old zinc mine, and these 2 properties called Panagazu and Akea, they're back to back, they're, you know, just properties back to back, and we're exploring on both, but we're starting to mine as well on the Panagazu property now.
Yeah, and then from what I understand, you guys have successfully made your first direct shipping. Like, do you want to describe about what's that?
We started mining May, June last year, 2014, and we mined a bit over 5,000 tonnes last year, 2014. So as of December, we sold our first lot, which was a 5,000 tonne lot. 5,000 tonnes is a sort of typical shipping lot. So we sold a 5,000 tonne lot, which we mined from Panagazu. and it was high-grade zinc. It was about 32% zinc, which is very high grade. Anything above around about 25% zinc, you can sell direct. You don't have to process. The smelting processors can buy it direct. So we sold it as direct shipping. So basically we mine it, we crush it, and we sell it. And the sale was well over $1 million US. So that's a nice starter for a junior that's getting going.
Absolutely.
And we're using that cash to pay for some of our exploration costs. And then our plan this year is to sell several more lots.
It's exciting news, especially on a growing front of zinc.
Yep.
It's been a pleasure talking with you, Steve. I really appreciate you coming to spend time with us.
Yep.
I'll let you go to enjoy the rest of the conference, but thanks very much for coming out.
Thanks, Galen. Nice to meet you.
You bet. Nice to meet you too.